Hello friends, one car came to the service with unbalancing wheels and same noise came from the suspicions. They lifted the car, checked the entire suspicions and found nothing wrong. After disbalancing the wheels, we discovered that there's a pad inside the tires to dampen the wheels so that the noise from the wheels doesn't leak into the car's interior. By this way, one of the pads was peeling off and the noise was coming from the pad. This should be glued to the wheel itself, not the tire. They should be glued to the tire by this way. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.